Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen.
Whoa, I just realized we're probably past the halfway mark already by the time this is getting posted.
That's pretty exciting.
I hope you're hanging on for Veganuary, guys.
I hope you're not just hanging on. I hope you're enjoying.
Yeah, that's true.
At least the vegan aspect of this month. It's been a crazy month so far, but we're doing another What I Ate Today.
Oh.
Woo! So,
by the way, this is not us telling you what you should be eating. This is just what we're eating.
Yeah. So I'm changing it up today, and I know it's winter, but I'm actually having a smoothie for breakfast.
You're crazy.
I just want it.
Cold out.
I know. But I haven't been outside yet today, so.
This looks beautiful, by the way.
Yes, I'm very excited about this. So this is frozen banana.
Uh-huh.
I'm not sure how much. It was a clump.
It was probably about a banana and a half.
Yeah, it was a clump of frozen banana. I'm having this PB Fit with it, which I love.
Okay.
I have this in like every smoothie. It's so good.
Yeah.
I'm trying something different today with the Plant Fusion Complete Protein.
This is a pretty good one.
Yeah, this is the rich chocolate flavor. So
and it was marked down because apparently we're the only ones who care about protein powder in the village.
I guess. I don't usually use protein powder, but I like to start. Yeah, this is 21 grams of plant protein. That's awesome.
Nice.
And my liquid base is almond milk.
As always. As ever, as Noel Fielding would say on Great British Bake Off.
Let's see what we got here.
Let's see what's on the slab.
Mmm. That's delicious. Peanut butter chocolatey.
Well, I've had several vats of Lavazza coffee already this morning with some oat creamer because I got up about 3 hours ago.
I did not.
Yeah. I'm having toast finally with some Earth Balance. The toast that I'm having is the Heidelberg bread sourdough.
Yeah, we'll give you guys a look when that comes out.
It's got 17 seconds left, so pardon my blanket dress. It's kind of cold this morning. I'm going to take it out early.
Whoa.
Right?
She's a rebel and she'll never be any good.
That's right. So yes, here's some beautiful crusty sourdough.
Nice. What are you putting on it?
The Earth Balance Organic Whipped.
Ooh.
It is USDA, that which you call the USDA organic.
Nice.
I remember
it's gonna be buttery delicious.
My dad would always say, I love when you butter my toast for me because you put way more butter than I ever would.
You do put so much butter.
And he said that his dad said that to his mom.
Oh, really?
He would always say, could you butter my toast for me? Because I guess they grew up during the war.
So they had ration and stuff?
He grew up during the war and they did not. They were already grown up. But yeah, there was rations and stuff, so my grandmother apparently would always put more butter.
Look at all that.
My grandfather would usually put, so he liked that.
Looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Hope you enjoy it.
I will.
Oh, hello there.
More coffee?
Yeah.
Yes, why don't I? It's freezing in here.
What kind of coffee? It smells pretty good.
It's Lavazza Gran Aroma.
Oh.
Which is a light roast, and it's got some oat milk creamer that is watered down with oat milk. What are you having for lunch?
Is it vegan?
Yeah.
I'm having a protein.
Oh.
Which protein powder did you use?
The chocolate one.
I really enjoyed my shake this morning. I'm going to need to do that more often.
Mm-hmm. What do you put in it, sir?
I put in a scoop of protein powder.
Yeah, vegan protein powder.
Vegan protein powder. A teaspoon of the PB Fit. A little vanilla extract.
Okay. I forgot to mention I put vanilla extract in mine this morning.
Yeah.
A little bit of cinnamon. What do you think? Is there anything else? Oh, I forgot the greens. Darn it. Oh well, too late now. And just a little bit of
you mean
chocolate
these
syrup.
greens?
Those greens.
What's that all about?
Green superfood.
Oh.
So this is like dehydrated. Gosh, what's in here? Oh, there's peppermint and silica in here too, but it's gluten-free, no sugar added, plant-based, non-GMO. Your daily greens plus nutritious fruits and veggies for health and wellness. 1 scoop, stir, smile.
Interesting.
I think there's like wheatgrass and...
Of course.
Oh wait, it says it right here. Sorry. Wheatgrass, barley grass, alfalfa, spirulina, chlorella, broccoli, spinach, beet, carrot, pineapple, acai, and maca.
Nice.
And acerola cherry and more.
All right. Well, we are having lunch now. Hi, cutie.
Oh, sorry.
Hi, cutie. And I'm having some romaine lettuce.
Don't remind me.
I know. Romaine lettuce with Trader Joe's Goddess dressing. Delicious. I've got a few of the cauliflower tots from Aldi.
Did you keep those in your pocket all night long?
I did. I just wanted to make sure I had something.
Okay.
And then I have some of Mom's homemade pizza
with sweet Italian sausage a la Beyond.
So good. What kind of cheese did you use last night?
Last night was the chow cheese.
Delicious.
Yes. Very creamy, very mellow.
Yes.
So Sean just got home from his program. He's having a little bowl of the rice pot that we made yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
I'm also having some rice pot with some of the roast broccoli that we had with the pizza. And underneath there is a bowl of lettuce.
All right.
Romaine lettuce with my homemade ranch on there.
Excellent.
So, coffee up. Let's
Time
watch,
to enjoy.
Drag Race finale.
Mm-hmm.
And then we gotta get back to work. Whoa.
It's snack time.
Are you even in focus?
I don't know, am I?
Maybe. You're in horrible lighting.
I know. That's alright.
I am a loser, baby. Because
Why?
I didn't film me. I had some skinny pop.
Ooh. Excellent choice.
And then the dogs had a fight because a piece of it went under the piano
I
and...
don't like when they fight. They didn't actually hurt each other, but...
No, it was very loud and...
Yeah, I heard it from the shower. I was like,
growly.
no. Yeah, they're okay now, though. They're chill. They
yeah.
just get a little crazy sometimes.
No blood was shed. It was all bark, no bite.
Yeah. But anyway, I'm having a snack now, too, and I'm having these clementines because
You married them.
I said...
You have to marry your mother-in-law.
I forgot about that guy. So funny. Oh my gosh. The steering wheel fly out of the car. I told Mom, if we get clementines, I promise I will eat them all.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been eating them every day as a snack, and it's been going well so far.
Yeah, I'm well impressed.
Mm-hmm.
Well impressed.
I'm really
Enjoy.
enjoying them. I haven't been craving, like, chips as much lately.
No, I haven't had any chips. I just had my popcorn.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe because we don't have chips.
Maybe. I mean, that could be part of it. I don't know.
But it took me forever to eat those other chips because those were from, like, New Year's, so...
Oh, the, like, waffle ones?
Yeah, the ones that were terrible.
They were kind of just, like, stale. I don't know why.
I don't get it.
I don't know.
Well...
But anyway, that's snack time.
Alright. Alright, guys. Here's my dinner. I'm having taco night. Or should I say, like, dirty nachos. Got these sea salt and lime late July tortilla chips with plain, well, it's not plain rice. It's like rice with some of the vegeta or vegeta. Who knows how to say it? Somebody told me once, but I totally forgot. The meat mixture is a couple of Beyond Burgers with dark red kidney beans, some seasoning, a little bit of corn. And then the topping is some tiny pitted olives, black olives, and my famous yellow sauce. The recipe for that is on the channel. There's a couple of different variations of that, depending on if you want to use nuts, if you want to use hemp, if you don't want to use any of those things. There's also one, I think, made with oatmeal. So it's very good, though. Everybody always raves about it. So there is dinner.
Hello there.
Hello. It's time for dessert.
Yes.
And we have been rationing these markdown cookies from after the holidays. Merry and bright.
They're so good.
These are accidentally vegan, and half of them are these fudge-covered grams, and the other half are these vegan caramel-covered circles.
Yeah, we're really lucky those are vegan because they're
They're
fantastic.
delicious. Not good for you,
No.
but delicious. So we've been doing one of each cookie per person,
Yeah.
per night.
Dad doesn't usually partake, but Shawnee does.
So this makes it go even longer then.
Delicious.
This will be like till February.
You think so?
Yeah, maybe.
We'll see.
We still have other cookies too that we can intersperse.
Yeah, I mean, it depends too on what other desserts that we have available.
Yeah.
We do have 2 birthdays this month, so
Oh,
yeah.
that's right.
And then Bowie's is in February.
Yay!
Bowie's gonna be 2. I can't believe it.
I'm
Oh,
gonna be 2.
so cute.
Well, that's all we ate today.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope you got some inspiration from all this. I hope you had a good day too. Hope your Veganuary is going well. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. And we'll see you then. So, thanks for watching and much love.